Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in Tinder. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Tinder app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation icons. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your personal Tinder profile page where you can view and edit your account information. Now look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents your settings menu. Tap on this gear icon to access all of your account settings and preferences. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Tinder account, including privacy settings, notifications, and account details. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll through the options until you find phone number. This section specifically handles all phone number related settings for your account. Tap on it to proceed. Managing your phone number is important because it's linked to your account verification and helps keep your profile secure. After tapping on phone number, you'll see an option that says update my phone number. Go ahead and click on this option. This is the specific feature that allows you to change the phone number associated with your Tinder account, which is useful if you've switched carriers or got a new number. Next, you'll be prompted to input your new phone number. Carefully enter the new phone number you want to link to your account. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any verification issues. Double check that you've typed the right number before moving forward. Once you've entered your new phone number, tap on the next button. This will initiate the verification process, which is a security measure to ensure that you actually have access to the phone number you're trying to add. Now you'll need to wait a moment while Tinder sends a verification code to the phone number you just entered. This usually arrives within a few seconds via text message. Once you receive the code, input it into the verification field on your screen. This step confirms that you own the phone number and have permission to link it to your Tinder account. After entering the verification code, tap Next one more time. The app will process the verification and update your account with the new phone number. And that's it, you've successfully changed your phone number in Tinder and your account is now linked to your new number. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.